Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And recently, close to my neighborhood, I spotted a Verizon truck that you see on screen. I had never seen a truck like that in my market El Paso before. And actually, it had the Verizon logo on it, but the sides of it was empty. So I'm wondering if this is part of what's to come, where Verizon is making a clear change and it's coming soon, and they're going to go all out, where you're going to start seeing these types of trucks with advertisings on the side, digital boards, and they're going to go on this massive huge campaign moving forward. It's coming, whether you wanted to or not. The changes, the difference in strategy, it's coming. It's up on us. It's here. And I've seen the AT&T trucks like this, and I've seen the T-Mobile ones. I've never seen the Verizon one like this. This is the first time I've seen one. And like I said, it was blank on the sides. I checked the sides, there was nothing. So I'm wondering if these trucks are now making it into the market to get ready to fight, to get ready to advertise, to finally awake the sleeping giant, so to speak. Verizon's been quiet for a while. They've had deals and they've tried to make change, and we all know that it didn't really work. But now it looks like Verizon is really gonna go all out, and they're really gonna try everything in the book and go by the book and just be a better carrier and really try to grow the business. That's what it really feels like with some of the stuff that we've heard, some of the stuff that some of the things I've heard, and now seeing this Verizon truck with the Verizon logo. So it'll be interesting to monitor. It'll be interesting to see everything once it's public, to see what they're going to offer and how they're going to take the company in a different direction. But it's good to see. It means the wireless industry is not going to stay stagnant. It's not going to be boring. It's going to be good. It's going to be healthy for competition. It's going to mean T-Mobile and AT&T will have to take notice. They have to make changes to their business depending on how this Verizon move affects them, and they have to respond perhaps, and that's how you move competition in the right direction. So Verizon's here. They're definitely here. They got the trucks. Some moves are coming, and soon we'll see what it's all about. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.